I've been waiting for something to talk about like this. So Matt O'Connor, founder of Fathers for Justice, has been on TikTok again, shouting like a drunk at a bus stop.
I'm Matt O'Connor, the founder of Fathers for Justice. I just want to talk about your parental rights today. Let's be clear. Let's get it into the head. You have no rights, no fucking rights in this country to see your children.
What about how dads have no fucking rights? Here we go. Let's see. Now, I get it. You want to sound like the Che Guevara of childcare. But what you're actually doing, Matt, is telling desperate dads they're doomed before they've even tried. Doomed before they've even tried. You have no rights. You have no fucking rights. Matt, if that were true, I wouldn't have a job. I spent over a decade helping dads get their kids back. And guess what? Guess what? None of them, not one, needed to glue themselves to Buckingham Palace or put on a Batman suit. What dads don't have is the right to act like emotionally unstable toddlers in court and still expect a gold star. That's what gets you nowhere. Or worse, gets your contact reduced while you wonder what went wrong. And I'm speaking from experience. Aren't I, Matt?
People get confused. They think, oh, I've got parental rights and responsibilities. That means shit, all right? It means nothing. They literally only gives you a right to educational information and medical information about your children. It does not give you a right in law to see your children. In fact,
then he says parental responsibility means shit. Oh, really? Really? So being able to stop your kid being taken abroad without your consent, shit. Getting medical records, shit. Okay. Deciding what school they go to, shit. I mean, if it's all so meaningless, why is your ex fighting so hard to keep you from using it? Biggest load of nonsense in the world. Biggest load of nonsense. I've helped dads get their kids, keep their kids in their care. If they've got no rights, they wouldn't be able to do this. Keep the kids in their care, raise safeguarding concerns, and then they go to court, and then they get given granted access, and the children remain living with them until the issue's resolved. And 9 times out of 10, the issue doesn't get resolved because the mum is doing something stupid like putting someone else, neglecting the children, or emotionally neglecting the children, or whatever. So this bit about no rights, it's bollocks. It's absolute nonsense.
there's probably more laws protecting dogs in this country than are protecting dads.
And Matt's line about dogs having more rights than dads. First of all, dogs lick their own bollocks and still have more self-awareness than half of the men following this clown. That's one thing. And secondly, show me the part of the Children Act that applies to Labradors. I'll wait.
That isn't to say, for the last 25 years now, Fathers for Justice have been the last line of defence, reuniting children and fathers. I had an email in last night from a dad saying, I want to say a huge thank you for your guidance on my case. He's got 7 nights out of 14. He says, after 7 years of hell, we feel truly free.
Oh, and the email he read from a dad who got 7 nights out of 14. Did you see how he read that? He opened that email quite quickly, didn't he? I think he was making it up. But do you know what? If he did get it, do you know what got him that? A court order. Not Matt's Facebook posts, not a cape, not a stunt, legal paperwork, strategy, and the ability not to have a meltdown in front of the judge. Matt's not a saviour of fathers. He's a salesman of rage. He gets you fired up. I get you results. He pours you over with petrol and gives you a match and says, go and play. I wrap you up in candy floss and give you an ice cream.
Good news story, but just remember, we're starting from a very low base. Thank you.
And I'll leave you with this, right? Any person with a little bit of knowledge on family court and family law will know that if you've been in a case for 7 years, 7 fucking years, it's very, very, very unlikely you're going to be walking out of that court with an equal shared care 7 nights out of 14. He's talking doo-doo.